Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Teresa, and today we are making tiny clusters. And before I start explaining my process and all that, I want you to know you matter. Thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe because that helps me quite a bit. And so let's get going. So basically, I am making an array of these tiny clusters because I'm making these tiny, these smaller junk journals to sell at a retirement facility, assisted living places. So I knew if I made a bigger one, I want the price point to be right for them because, they're on a budget. So I will be doing a tutorial next week on how I do my little tiny journals. But for now, when I'm making these, I want to make sure I have an even amount on each signature. And so I really don't, I just don't think of how I make them. I just make it. So I'm just finding a bunch of different stuff and adding it all in and using my fabric glue to, reusable fabric to take care of the glue. Sorry, it's late. My brain's not processing. And I try to use the same way that I do the others. I'm using paper, two different kinds. I'm using scrapbook paper and paper from a book pages. And on top of that, I am using some Tim Holtz tiny ephemera pieces and some other pieces from my stash. So they turn out really cute. I absolutely am in love with these fabric squares. So I made myself fabric squares because I really didn't want to keep using baby wipes or whatever for, getting all the extra glue out. So I made these fabric squares, and that is what I'm using to, press down on my pieces and get the glue, spread the glue a little bit better and get the excess glue off. And I am just loving them because then I can just throw them in the wash and be good and done. So I will let you watch the rest of this process, and I will catch you at the end. Okay, so here are all of the pieces that I finished, and I just love how they turned out. Some are very simple, some have flowers. They're just, I love them. So, again, if you like this, please give it a thumbs up and think of subscribing for more content. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for joining me. You guys are wonderful. Bye.